hello to the channel or hello to my channel video. The next I'm going to make you solve a problem. The question goes like this: a rectangular plane of 60 mm by 40 mm has its shorter side on HP. The plane is perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP at an angle of 60 degree. Draw its front view and top view. So the solution for the given question is plane surface inclined to HP and perpendicular to VP. So here I'll just give a rough sketch. This is nothing but my plane perpendicular inclined to VP. HP means this is my plane, this is inclined to surface, so this is my plane surface. The front view, what will got as an inclined line, the top view will be just the plane surface. So this is my HP VP plane. Now I'm going to show you detailed explanation of this. So here I need to draw a rectangular plate. So here what I'm going to do is I'll draw the XY line. This is my VP plane. This is my HP plane. The plane, rectangular plane of 60 by 40 having its shortest side on HP. The sense, so I will take as per the given solution, this is 60 mm rectangular plate. The dimension goes like this. This is 60 mm. This is 40. Fine. I like to give a name for this. The name will be as A, B, C, D. Now, when I project it and it's given, one of the shorter side is on HP. Is on HP means whatever the projection, it should be on HP itself. So the front view of this given plane surface will be as A dash, D dash, B dash, C dash. Okay. Now this is the view. When I look from here, A is visible, B is visible, but D and C are not visible. So I would like to A and D and C in bracket. Now this is not required, so I'll just drop this part. Fine. This also I like to extend. Second part goes like this. It is inclined to HP at an angle of 60 degree. So what should be inclined? As in the plane, as I have shown you here, the front view is inclined at 60 degrees to HP. So the front view, the same thing, the same dimension, I will incline at an angle of 60 degree. Let this angle theta is equal to 60 degree. I name this as A dash, D dash, and the same distance. It will be almost same, this A to D, D to C. So this is my B dash, C dash. Clear? Now after this I'll draw thin projection line projecting from the given point. Again from here I will draw thin projection line. And what I'll get here? This is my top view. This I'll just thick it off, and I'll just show different color for this. This is nothing but D is here, A is here. So A, this is my A, this is my C, this is my D, this is my A, and this is my B. This is not required, and this is for your Don't give hatch line to the required solution. This is for making you understand. So the required front view and top view of the given solution is ready. When the question goes like this, you can write the solution as theta is equal to 60 degree. It's an HP, means you should need not write here. Theta is equal to 60 degree and the plane surface side is 60 to 4. So the given solution is 60 degree, and this is the required solution for the given question. Okay. A dash, the same thing, I have inclined an angle of 60 degree, and this is a given solution what I got. Okay. Thank you. Hope you like this channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.